Morning, folks. My ASV skid steer needs a counterweight to plow this driveway. I'm gonna make one real quick. Check it out. Quick test fit, make sure it's gonna work. Looks good. I'm gonna run the welds. There you have it, quick and dirty, 10-minute, about 260-pound counterweight. I've got 75-pound bags on here, 3 of them plus the weight of the box itself, which is actually pretty heavy. We'll see how this does with this plow. Didn't do well without it. Got her secured, that should do it.